In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter in Excel by column. If you've ever found yourself drowning in a sea of data within an Excel spreadsheet, fret not. Filtering is a wonderfully simple tool Excel offers to help you sort through the chaos and find the information you need with just a few clicks. Whether it's for a business report or just organizing your personal expenses, mastering the filter function can drastically improve your efficiency. So let's dive in and demystify this process together. To embark on this journey, we first need to access Excel. For this tutorial, we'll be using the free Microsoft 365 online version. So start by navigating to the Microsoft 365 online website, where you can access Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more for free. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button to log into your account. You'll need to either sign in with your existing Microsoft account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. This process is straightforward. Just type in your email and hit Next. Then follow the instructions to either log in or set up a new account. With that out of the way, it's time to dive into the real action. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use an example spreadsheet. But of course, you'll want to open up the specific document you intend to work with. Navigate to the file and open it in your browser. Your screen now displays your spreadsheet, bustling with data waiting to be organized. The first step is to identify the column you wish to filter. Look at the top of the spreadsheet for the header of the column in question, or if you haven't set up headers, simply highlight the column by clicking on it. Next, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the Excel interface and click on the Data tab. This tab houses a myriad of options for handling your data. But for now, your focus should be on the Filter feature. Click on it and you'll notice the appearance of small drop-down icons next to each of your column headers. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the drop-down icon of the column you wish to filter. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options including Sort A to Z, Sort Z to A, and other filtering options. To demonstrate filtering, click on Filter within this menu. Immediately you'll see a checklist pop up with every distinct piece of data in your column. This handy feature allows you to sift through the contents of the column, deciding which data points you want to be displayed. For our example, I'm going to filter by a specific value. Let's say we're only interested in entries that equal $120. Uncheck the Select All option to clear all selections, then scroll through the list until you find the $120 option. Check the box next to it, effectively telling Excel, these are the only entries I want to see. And finally, the moment of truth. Click Apply on the bottom of the filter menu. Like a curtain being lifted, Excel will reveal only those rows that meet your specified criteria, hiding the rest from view. Just like that, you've successfully filtered your Excel sheet by a specific column value. Remember, this tool isn't just for numbers. You can filter text, dates, and more, customizing the view of your data to suit exactly what you need at any given moment. And when you're ready to see your full data set again, simply click the filter icon and select Clear Filter to bring back all your data. Filtering in Excel is a powerful function that can transform how you handle and interpret your data. With just a few clicks, you can go from being overwhelmed by too much information to focusing precisely on the data that matters most to your current task. Practice what we've gone through today, and you'll find yourself navigating through spreadsheets with ease and efficiency like never before. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Dive into your Excel sheets with confidence, and happy filtering.